Myntri rang ba Meghalaya kontrak kesan ma sumbut Myntri rang ba Preston tensang Iakynduh Myntri ke Sorkar Pdeng Kiren Rijiju New Delhi menekan halor ka FCRA Amendment Bill.
The entire purpose of our meeting was regarding the FCRA Amendment Bill. And we expressed our concerns as Christian organizations regarding the amendment bill, especially Section 16, where new clauses are being introduced, where seizure of the property can be done based on a designated authority. Of course, there are much more legal aspects to it, but there are 3-4 more other provisions which were concerned. And we raised the issue and we requested the Honorable Minister if a much more larger discussion can be made with other stakeholders so that these concerns that are there can be addressed. So we are very happy. The Honorable Minister has given a very positive response and that he will definitely take up the matter at the top level and he will get back to us. And we are very hopeful that this particular bill, before it is passed, there will be detailed discussion and necessary amendments will be made to ensure that the property and the rights of different institutes, especially the Christian institutes, are protected. And that is the purpose of our visit. And we are coordinating with different denominations, we are coordinating with different organizations, and we'll be meeting different ministers in order to express our concerns, and we are hopeful that the necessary amendments will be made.